Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for another test ride. Today we are out on the brand new Suzuki GSX-8S. So brand new for Suzuki. I'm so excited to get on this bike for you guys. Big thanks to Bike Biz at Parramatta for hooking us up today. And yeah guys, let's get on it and go for a ride. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so on the brand new Suzuki GSX-8S, a little bit of a mouthful there, but yeah guys, brand new for 2023. Absolutely awesome bike. First impressions jumping on the bike. It's super comfortable. The handlebars are not too, you're not too lent over the handlebars. Pegs are in a really nice position, not too low at all, which is nice, or not tucked up. It just feels like a nice position. So yeah guys, first impressions are good so far. Just been on the bike about 5 minutes. Quick shifter is standard on this model now, which is fantastic. I think that was one of my things about the 890, that you got to pay for a quick shifter, which is just crazy these days in 2023. I think all bikes should come standard with a quick shifter, but yeah, this one's got a blipper up and down, which is nice. Not super smooth quick shifter. I have obviously ridden smoother quick shifters like the Triumphs and the BMWs, even the Ducatis. I think are a little bit smoother, but not too bad at all. Like popping through the gears there feels really nice. Obviously, being a naked bike, the wind protection's not going to be fantastic, but it's it's not too bad. This is a really exciting bike for me personally. I think that Suzuki make fantastic bikes. I think their build quality is really up there with the likes of Triumph and stuff like that now. I think they do a really good job. I was a little bit disappointed with the KTM's build quality this week, but this one feels a lot more solid. Buttons feel nice. But yeah, it's obviously down quite a bit of power comparing it to some of its rivals, but obviously the torque is there. It's pretty pretty instant torque, being a twin. We're gonna head up into some more twisty roads later on, but for now we're just gonna be seeing what it's like at sort of faster speeds here, everyday sort of riding. Handling this quite well. Obviously pretty basic bike as well. It's not super complicated. You got 3 riding modes. You got switchable traction control, which is nice. I believe you can do it on the fly, but I don't know. Oh, there we go. So you can change traction control off. So there's 2, 3. Okay, let's leave it in. Let's put it in 2 for now. We're in A mode. So yeah, pretty basic. But I must say, this dash is really nice. Really clear. Really nice graphics on there. So the specs of this bike, we've got 61, I believe. I'll put exactly what it is now, but I think it's 61 kilowatts and about 79 newton meters of torque. So quite torquey. It's obviously up there with with all its rivals. You know, you got, I think this sits in sort of MT-07 here in Australia is a Lamb's bike, so I don't really compare it to that bike, but definitely the likes of the MT-09, the 890 Super Duke, the Triumph Street Triple that we did a review on as well recently. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this this bike stacks up to the KTM and the Triumph. So yeah, really, you know, first impressions about the handling is that it's you know, it feels nice. It doesn't feel too heavy. Although, you know, when we get up to some faster bands, we'll really be able to tell what it's like. But yeah, so far, just riding it around the streets, it feels good in the handling department. Power wise, it feels really nice as well. It's really punchy. It's you know, it's not too in your face. It's quite nice. It's quite smooth, the power. But in saying that, it definitely, you can definitely feel that torque, especially low down. I think the torque low down is just really nice. Sort of pulls out of corners really nicely. But yeah, the quick shifter at low RPMs is a little bit jerky. Brakes are good, they do the job. But yeah, fantastic bike so far, guys. I'm really liking this bike. I think it you know, there's so much to offer in this sort of segment. You know, it's really a hard choice these days. Oh yeah, power is good. Really just a fun bike. I think, you know, this is really aimed at just being a fun road bike. It's not, you know, going to be that great on the track, but it's you know, it's really nice. Really smooth. The suspension feels really nice. You know, it's set up not too firm. The rear shock's nice. The front suspension's good. And these are not the best roads in the world either. So, but yeah, it's really nice. I must say though, it has a good note to it as well. Definitely needs a needs an exhaust. Yeah, but this blue, guys, this blue is just is stunning. I think it's hard to sort of tell in person. I'm sorry, on camera, but in person it's just really nice. I did say that I would probably get the black color, but I think in seeing this in person, the blue is really nice. So yeah, guys, we're not going to get up to too crazy with the country roads, but yeah, I just wanted to get a feel what this bike is like as a sort of day-to-day road bike, because I mean, really, that's what this is aimed at. This is an everyday road bike, and I think it does a fantastic job. I think it's probably a slightly better road bike than the KTM Duke that I rode, the 890. I think this makes a better road bike. It's a little bit smoother. That's a little bit more aggressive in its power delivery. This one's a lot smoother, but still got, you know, still got heaps of go in it, which is nice. You wouldn't need any more power than this for the road, that's for sure. Handling feels good, doesn't feel heavy. Really liking this bike so far. And I'm not a huge fan of twins in general. I'm a big fanboy of triples, and I like my V twins. But yeah, so far the few bikes that I've ridden, the Duke I did like, and this bike so far are just really nice. Really liking it. Clutch is a little bit is again If you're not using the quick shifter, it's a little bit heavier than the KTMs and the Triumphs, which is interesting. Oh yeah, really nice through the gears. Very good. Suzuki always make fantastic motorcycles. So nice. You know, your weight on this bike is definitely over the front a little bit more than some of the other bikes, and you can definitely feel that it's a little bit more sort of eager to sort of tip in, which is nice. Yeah, I'd love to see this bike, love to feel this bike with an exhaust and a few other little bits and pieces, but yeah, so far liking it. And hopefully we'll get on this bike again in the future and maybe do a comparison with some of the other bikes as well, because I really like to ride them back to back and see which one comes out on top. Oh yeah, B doesn't feel too much different to A. Little bit slow, a little bit smoother power delivery, but yeah, pretty similar. Coming up to some faster sort of bends here to feel the handling a bit more. Longer gearing than the KTM, which I think is quite nice. Down the blipper, it's quite smooth. Oh yeah, it's good. Alright guys, we're going to end the video there. Thank you so much for watching. Big thanks to Bike Biz for hooking us up with this bike today. Awesome machine. Can't wait to get out on the bike again and do some more riding. First impressions, awesome machine. Just an all-round sort of everyday bike that you can still have fun on the weekends. Such a fantastic bike. Alright guys, I'll catch you for the next video. See you later.